Good morning, students. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, all of you. So, today we are going to start with the first chapter of class 10th physics. Alright? The first chapter of class 10th physics, and the name of the chapter is electricity. Alright? So, are you all ready to get started with the very
Yes,
first
sir.
chapter?
Yes, sir.
I have given
Yes,
you a brief
sir.
introduction. I have given you a brief introduction regarding what are the chapters are there in the class 10th physics, and I have shown you the relation between all the chapters. Now let's start with the very first chapter, electricity. Okay, let me take you to a different page. Is the screen visible to you here?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So we are going to start with the chapter electricity. Clear? Let me write it down. So this is the chapter. And what is today's date? Today's date is 16th of April. Alright? 16th April 2020. Okay? Now, students, first of all, tell me that as the name of the chapter is electricity, can you please tell me what do you mean by electricity? Meaning. At least we should know the meaning of the title of the chapter first. Then we will get inside this. Anybody can tell me what do you mean by electricity? Come on, one by one.
Sir, a form of energy.
Very good.
Energy.
It is a form of energy. Yes, that's good. Electricity is a form of.
Energy.
Yes, that's good. So if somebody will ask you what is electricity, you will tell me that electricity is a form of reliable source of energy. Yes, reliable source of energy. Alright. So what does electricity means? Electricity is a form of energy.
Energy.
I'm sorry, here I have written reliable source of energy. It's not a source of energy, rather you will say it is a form of energy, reliable form of energy. Okay. Electricity is a reliable form of energy. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you
Yes,
see,
sir.
whenever electricity comes in your mind, the thing that strikes you first is what? Come on, tell me. Electricity, whenever it strikes your mind, the first thing that comes is current. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
The first thing that strikes your mind is current. And whenever there is current in your mind, the thing that strikes you is charge. Tell me yes or no? Yes?
sir.
Okay. So you have to understand the base of the current, the base structure, or rather I will say the basics of current and electricity is charge. Okay. So we have to understand what do you mean by charge first, then we can continue with the other topics. Alright. So our first target will be to understand what do you mean by charge. Alright. Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
So let me give you charge.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Who can tell me what is charge? What is charge? Tell me.
Sir, what?
What do you understand by charge?
Charge.
What do you understand by charge? Tell me. Anyone?
So we charge our phone.
Sir, we charge our phone.
Charge your phone. Alright. That's correct.
Contacts.
Okay, no problem. See, whenever we tell about charge,
of matter.
whenever we tell about charge, yes, you are correct. You are correct. Somebody who has said the answer. Yes. What is charge, my dear? Charge is a
Property of matter.
charge is a property of matter, my dear. Property of matter. I am giving you the definition of charge. See here. Charge is the property of matter due to which a force is generated. Alright? Let me write down the definition first and I will explain you everything. Okay? What is charge?
So where are you writing?
Can't you see?
I can't see.
No, sir.
Oh my goodness, just hold on. I'm sorry. I need to present it first. Okay, just wait on. I'm absolutely sorry. I forgot to share the screen. Can you see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You should have told me earlier, na? Sir, you are writing somewhere and we are unable to see. Okay, let's start from the very first. Okay, you can see here that we are going to start with the chapter electricity. And electricity is what, sir? Electricity is a reliable form of energy. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So name of
Yes, sir.
the meaning of electricity is a reliable form of energy. Now, whenever electricity strikes your mind, we tell about current. Yeah, we talk about current. We talk about charge. Remember, charge is the basics of current and electricity. So we have to understand about charge first. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now, can
Yes, sir.
can you see on the screen that I have written the definition of charge? Charge is a property of matter due to which a force is generated and its effect is experienced by the particles nearby it. Okay? Just to see. Try to
So
understand.
by the particles, after that, what you have written?
By the particles nearby it. Nearby it. You see,
Okay.
whenever we talk about charge, the thing that strikes our mind is a positive charge or negative charge. Yes or no? Positive
Yes,
charge
sir.
and negative charge. This is positive charge. Yes? And something is negative charge.
Negative charge.
What are this? You see. So, this charge, whenever there is a matter, suppose you are studying with a mobile phone. I am writing on a graphics board. I have a laptop. I have a water bottle, a book. Everything is matter. Yes or no? So, every
Yes.
matter has a property called as charge. Yes? Every matter has a property called as charge. See, suppose let me draw a charge here. See, plus Q is a positive charge. Yes, this is a positive.
Positive charge.
Positive charge.
Charge.
So this charge will have a boundary. This charge will have a region. If you place any other charge here, it may be positive, it may be negative. What will happen? The previous charge, this will repel it or this will attract it. Tell me yes or no. Tell me
Yes,
yes or no.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Suppose there is a
Yes,
charge
sir.
and that charge is a positive charge. So every charge has a field around it and this field is called as electric field. We'll study about this electric field. Within this field, if we introduce any other charge, what will happen? This previous big charge will attract or repel this one. Attraction and repulsion are a kind of force. Tell me yes or no. Attraction or repulsion are a kind of force. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That
Yes,
means
sir.
this positive
Yes, sir.
charge will apply a force on the particles nearby it. If some particle is here, yes or no? So this charge will apply a force on this. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what have you understood?
So one, explain what you have explained now.
Pardon? Tell me once again.
One more time explanation.
Okay, let me give you one more time an explanation. You see, it's very easy. Okay. Acha, what's your name? What's your name? Who has asked me the question?
Sir, Poonam.
Poonam, in your house, you have sockets like this. Sockets like this. So see, in switchboard, sockets like this. Can you see at your home sockets like this? Yes or no? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If you put your finger inside, what will happen?
Sir, current.
You will get a shock. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes?
Yes, sir.
So,
sir.
Yes, sir.
understand it like this. Suppose there is a charge. Okay? So, this charge will have a field around it. This charge will have a field around it. This is the socket, what I am talking about. If you put your finger inside it, you will get a shock. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
If you put your finger inside it,
Yes,
you will
sir.
get a shock. Yes? So
Yes, sir.
similarly, this is a positive charge or a negative charge. Anything is possible. Positive charge or negative charge. It will have a field around it, and if we introduce any other charge, it will be attracted or repulsion will take place. Yes or no? Attraction or repulsion will take place. We know that. What do you mean by attraction? Attraction and repulsion. Both are what? Sir, both are force. Yes or no? Both are what? Both are
Yes, sir.
force. That means
Force.
whenever there is a charge, there will be a force. Yes or no? Whenever there is a charge. So what have I understood? Charge is a property
Yes,
of
sir.
matter due to which a force is generated. So, what is charge? Charge is a property of matter due to which a force is generated and its effect is experienced. The force is experienced. What is that effect? Sir, force is the effect. And this effect is what? Sir, force. And this force is experienced by the particles nearby it. You put your finger inside, you will get a shock. That is the force. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Is that
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Is the definition of charge clear?
Yes, sir.
So in your copy, first of all, you write down the definition of charge. Okay? In your copy, you first write down the definition, or I will share you this video. First of all, listen to me. I will share this video's link. Okay? A YouTube link will be shared with you all in the WhatsApp group. Okay? From that video, whatever definition, whatever things I am teaching you right now, you will copy it down in your copy. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you can go through
Yes,
this
sir.
video. You can go through this live class again and again. More number of times you want to see. Okay? I will share the link of this class. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you see.
So we have to leave 3 pages.
Yeah. You have to leave 3 pages. Sure. Next is you see types of charge. Types of charge. Is this visible? The first
Yes,
type
sir.
is
Sir.
Positive charge.
Positive charge. The second type is negative
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 charge.
charge.
negative charge. Alright. Positive charge we generally call it as protons. Negative charge we call it as electrons.
Neutron.
We all know if there is an atom, inside an atom there is a nucleus, and inside the nucleus we have the protons, and in the orbits we have the
You have electrons.
electrons.
Electron.
But remember my dear,
Electrons.
current do not flow. I am repeating, current do not flow due to the electrons present in the orbit. Suppose there is an electron. Current do not flow due to this. Remember, how current flows, I will tell you. Current do not flow due to this electron. First of all, you remember this. Okay? So there are 2 types of charges, my dear. Number 1 is positive charge called as protons. Number 2 is negative charge, that is electrons. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
This much is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Protons are present
Yes,
in
sir.
the nucleus, and electrons are present in 2 forms. Okay, the first form is in orbit, and next form in the free electrons. Okay, these free electrons conducts current. Conducts. Am I clear? Very briefly I have told you.
Yes, sir.
Very briefly I have told
Yes.
you.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
When I will
sir.
get inside this, I will explain this in a much detailed way. Okay. So there are two types of charges: positive, negative. Positives are called proton, negatives are called electron. Protons present in nucleus, electrons present in orbit and in the free electron state. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Anybody has any doubt? Anybody has any doubt?
No. No,
Any
sir.
problem? Anybody has any problem? Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So, if this much is clear, then I can take you to the very important point, that is fundamental law of charge. Fundamental law of charge. I can take you here. It's a very easy talk. Fundamental law of charge. You see here. Fundamental law of charge says like charge repel each other. Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
And number two, unlike charge, attract each other. Anybody has any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Anyone? See,
No.
like charge,
No, sir.
repel. Unlike charge, attract. Sir, these two are what? Like or unlike charge?
No, explain it once.
These two charges are like
Like
charge or
charge.
unlike charge? These are all
Like.
like
Like.
charge. Like charges. So they will what? They will do, sir, repel. They will do what?
Sir, unlike charge, there will be minus sign, no?
Unlike charge. This is unlike charge. Unlike
Plus
charge
and
means
minus.
opposite charge. Opposite charge. Like charge means equal, same charge. Okay? Plus plus, minus minus. They will undergo repulsion. Okay? If something is like this, na, you can see here. If there are two things, this is plus and this is also plus, they will undergo repulsion. Yes or no? Understood?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And
Understood.
this negative charge, the positive charge and negative charge, what will happen? They will be attracted. They will be
Plus
attracted.
and another will minus.
Okay? I'm sorry, not attracted. This is attracted. Okay? Spelling mistake. Am I clear? So, tell me first, like charges repel
Yes,
or
sir.
attract? Like charges repel or attract?
Repel.
Like charges
Repel.
repel. Unlike charges attract or repel? Unlike charges
Attract.
attract. Attract. Very good.
Unlike charges attract.
Yes, very good. So now, see, if I tell you, so every charge has a value. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
few facts you should know. Charge of an electron. You know electron? Yes, which runs on the
Yes, sir.
orbit, which moves in the orbit. Yes or no? Okay. So
Yes,
every
sir.
electron
Yes, sir.
has a definite charge. You have to remember this. Learn this by heart. The charge of an electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Sir, what is this? क्या है ये? This is the charge of an electron. Okay? As we know, proton inside the nucleus. Electrons are revolving in the orbits. So this electron has a charge. Sir, how much charge? Sir, 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, sir, what is this coulomb? From where this coulomb has come? My dear, coulomb is the SI unit of charge. Remember, what is the SI unit of charge? Coulomb. C-O-U-L-O-M-B. It is denoted by capital C. Remember, it is denoted by capital C. So, have you understood till this much? Is this clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Is this
Yes,
clear to all
sir.
of you? Anybody
Yes,
has
sir.
any doubt can ask me?
No, sir.
No doubts?
No doubt.
So I hope
No,
today
sir.
we have studied regarding what you mean by electricity, what you mean by charge, what are the different types of charge, what is the fundamental law of charge, and what is the charge of one electron. So this much we have covered. All right. So we can stop here for today. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
can stop here for today. Thank you, class. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Just